Hi, my name is Ming Wei. I'm a beginner gardener. So today I'm going to do containers. This will be my first container in my life. I always love flowers, but I'm always afraid I can keep them alive. Until recently, I can't resist the beauty of flowers anymore. I started purchasing more flower and do more gardening. Recently, I found this really beautiful 14-inch diameter planters from Costco. There are 3 planters a set for around $20. It's really a good find. I really love those pots because they're beautiful color and it got those warm effects. It's really pretty. I know it's early summer, but I'm really excited about making fall containers. I look at my garden, I already have a lot of fall color flowers. As you can see, I have mom, I have wonky flowers, all sorts of colors. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I got 2 little fake pumpkin. I got it from Dollar Tree last year, so we can see if we can work them into the container. We don't know. From what I learned, usually a traditional container have 3 parts. For fruler, which is the tallest part, or you can call it a centerpiece, to give a focal point of your container. Then it goes with a second tier, the lower part called fillers, to fill out the middle part, and the trailer to go in the front to have a draping effect. So we have 4 filler here. This is Jenkins Twisted Arrow Grass. I found it in Lowe's. I just have to have it because it's so interesting. It got some straight ones, got some curly ones. It's just so cute. I have to buy it. Those 2 are Salvias I picked up from Lowe's. And this one is in my mind, it's a very autumn color, Halloween autumny color. So this one is black and blue. They look quite small right now, so you might have a hard time imagining they become focal point of the centerpiece, the tallest height in the container, but they actually can grow quite high. This, I definitely hope they can grow faster. Yesterday, I went to a new nursery I've never been to. It's in Dallas. It's called Rebo's Texas of Plants. It actually have 2 locations in Dallas. I went to the one near the Lafayette Airport, but I'm really excited to visit the other one in the more downtown area of Dallas because it's really cool. I saw pictures. It was like, a little cute outdoor nursery center, but with a background of tall skyscrapers. Is really, really cool. I picked up a few things. This one, I'm sorry, I don't know the name of this plant, but it's a very affordable, as you can see, a $2.99, a very affordable centerpiece, beautiful ornamental grass. So we're definitely going to use this one today. And some coleus. They got a pretty good variety of coleus in there. I picked this one is sunset coleus. My husband picked this one is watermelon coleus. It's just beautiful autumn color. These 2 I also forgot to write down the name. I think it's either Silver Bullet or Dusty Miller. So let me know if you know which one it is and leave me a comment. I haven't found a good reasonable price trailer that I like, so I picked up this one from my yard. It's a wild ivy, I believe, so I dig it out. So we're gonna work in there. This one is a very common trailer people use because it drapes in the front. It got really beautiful flowers. This one is called Violet Skirt. It got white rim around it. It's really beautiful. Actually, my husband picked this one. I really liked it after he picked it. But I don't know if we're gonna use this one today. It's just an example of trailer in here. We'll see. And this little grass is a wild grass in our yard. I just think it's just so beautiful. So we might use it in some corner as a filler if we cannot fill up the whole thing. Remember, I'm a beginner, so I don't know. This is the first time doing containers. All right, let's start with our full container. I'm already filling all the dirt in here. And we're gonna start with our centerpiece, which is this one. Here. Beautiful black and blue salvia. Of course, we dig a little hole first. I think the yellow goes really well with this color. Yellow blanket flower. Beautiful. I picked it up from Walmart yesterday. Give a little tease. It's not too bad. It's quite big. So yeah, I do have a little bit problem is those blanket flower as filler is way bigger right now at this stage. So this centerpiece actually quite small. So I just wish it'll grow faster to be tall, to be the first tier. Right now, you can really see the salvia over the blanket flower, but I hope it'll pick up. And next one, we're gonna do this one. My favorite, red and yellow. I have had this one for quite a while. I really love this blanket flower. It grows very well in Texas. Our climate zone is 8-8, so it grows very well in here. It's so hard. Not as easy as I thought. Just plunk them in, I guess not that easy. Okay, I'm gonna twist and dress to a beautiful angle. Okay, that's 2 of them in. So apparently, as a beginner doesn't know, a 14-inch pot can fit in a lot more than I imagined. Right now I have 4 plants in here, salvia, blue and black, and the 2 big blanket flower and 1 ivy in the front. As you can see, you can still see a little bit room on the right side and a little bit empty spot in the middle. So, so buy more fillers than just 2 big blanket flower. Next time, if you're doing a 14-inch diameter container, putting one of this either Dusty Miller or Silver Bullet as the filler on the right side. I don't think I put a salvia quite in the right center, so I might need to adjust it now. No, I will adjust it now. Move, you gotta move. Is it definitely centered this time? Did you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, it looks more centered to me.
I always have this issue. As you can see, I transplant this one. Not exactly in the middle. I find it very difficult when you transplant flowers to make sure they're right in the middle. So, this is my first container in my life. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think it's pretty or you think there is some improving ideas. I can go get more stuff and fill out. There's still some empty spot right here on 2 sides, but from the front it looks okay right now. It's my first container ever. So it's an autumn container. I think I do okay. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can have more video coming. Definitely stay tuned. I definitely will update on how this grow in a couple months and post a video about it. So theoretically, this salvia on the back, it has a hole on the back. I know I might have to put it against a wall for now until the salvia filling, or maybe I can if the salvia didn't grow as planned, which is supposed to be 2 feet tall and very wide, I might pop this one in. There's another blanket flower of Barton color. Or I can buy some more small fillers put on the side. Or I can buy more different color pumpkin popping here just to wait until salvia to fill in. So in general, focus on the front view. It's so beautiful. I really love it. I think it's a good start for me on my container and gardening journey.